Food and technology have always been connected. From the invention of fire to the microwave, humans have constantly sought ways to make food tastier, safer, and more accessible. Today, a new technological wave is transforming the culinary landscape: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing how we grow, prepare, and even experience food. Imagine a world where robots cook your meals, AI personalizes your diet based on your DNA, and flavor is designed in a lab. This might sound like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming a reality. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the food industry will only become more profound, revolutionizing our relationship with what we eat. The fast food industry, known for its efficiency and standardization, is at the forefront of AI adoption. Chains like Chick-fil-A and Domino's are already using AI to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. Chick-fil-A employs robots to juice lemons, improving both speed and worker safety. Domino's leverages AI to predict customer orders, ensuring pizzas are prepped in advance for faster delivery. This focus on speed and efficiency isn't just about convenience. In a fast-paced world, AI helps these chains meet the growing demand for quick, affordable meals without compromising on quality. AI's impact extends far beyond fast food, permeating every corner of the food industry. Companies like Danone are partnering with tech giants like Microsoft to enhance operational efficiency. AI is being used to optimize agricultural practices, boosting crop yields, and promoting sustainable farming. In the realm of product development, AI is helping to create innovative and delicious food experiences. Campbell's and Coca-Cola utilize AI algorithms to analyze flavor profiles and develop new products that cater to evolving consumer tastes. AI is even being used to improve the texture and taste of plant-based meat, making it a more appealing alternative to traditional meat products. As AI technology continues to advance, its role in the food industry is only going to become more significant. Imagine personalized nutrition plans generated by AI, tailored to your specific dietary needs and preferences. Picture AI-powered robots working alongside chefs, creating dishes with unprecedented precision and artistry. While some consumers might be hesitant about embracing AI-prepared food, the technology offers numerous benefits, from increased safety and efficiency to reduced food waste and personalized dining experiences. As AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, it holds the potential to revolutionize not just what we eat, but how we think about food itself.